Hello, this is a Sorm research tool. When you receive the machine, it also consists of two parts, the screen and the seats. You can see there are 8 screws on each side. You need to connect the two parts. It's very easy to operate. Okay. After you connect the whole machine, now let me show you how to set the game machine. First, open the coin acceptor panel. Now you can see there are 3 red buttons, and the first one is for test. When you push it, you will enter to the game menu, and the second one is for service, the third one is for up, and the last one is for down, country direction. Okay, let's go to the game menu. Now we can change or adjust the language. The language is English, and we can adjust the mouse volume with the steering wheel. Okay. Now let's adjust the first round coins with the steering wheel. When you turn left, it minus. Turn right, it's adding 1 credit. So normally we adjust 2 or 3 coins for 1 game time. The next second round coins, same way to adjust. In future, if you purchase another game machine from us, the 2 machines can link up. So there's a challenger drawing time for 2 game machines or more. Now it's disabled. Next one is auto pedal. You can turn on and turn off. And game time we can choose from short, default, or long. Now we choose long. The clock is right. It's 2014. Okay. Next one is sound testing. Next one is live testing and button testing. Okay, no problem. And the calibration steering. Next one is calibration fault panel and video split number. Video ID. Patch. After you adjust the menu and then you push service, then you can enter to the game again. Now it's ready to play. If you want to adjust the volume, you can screw with the 3 items. Left for turn down and right to turn up. The first one for the forward, second one for the middle, and the last one for the back seats. At last you can check the coins from this plate. Okay.